my private jet, a business jet. Let's take a look. You could see most of the interior, but not really. You can see the cabin. There is 8 seats, so I can barely see that easy. It's just the windows. Like that. Okay, those are the stairs. You know this Learjet, it's a Shamo of San Andreas. If you want to get this plane, you have to climb over the gates in Los Santos International Airport. The plane doors are not locked. You could open and CJ will fly the plane at the beginning of the game. You can fly anywhere. This is the only plane that is unlocked in the beginning of San Andreas. Like the Cessna base plane named Dodo in Grand Theft Auto 3. The Dodo plane has a wingspan in San Andreas. It's not locked like the planes in San Andreas. In San Fierro, the doors are locked on the airplanes, like except Shamo in San Andreas. Here's the engine. I'm gonna color this very soon, so this is the first time that the plane has an interior. You can see the interior inside the plane. There. Alright, here's the seats inside. Yep, that's the tour of the plane with the most realistic plane ever made. I'm gonna put more details very soon. After that, it'll be complete. This is the new private jet. It's a Learjet. It has extra stabilizers below the fuselage.